conceptual perspective to things. People talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements they think. Intelligence.
Hello everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace here. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you tired of living a life full of dwarfed goals and colorless dreams? Are you tired of meandering through the maze of mediocrity? Do you know when you look at yourself in the mirror there's so much more out there that you could be doing, but for whatever reason you're living in a state of stagnancy? Let me tell you, that does not have to be the place for you. Look in the description box of this video and look at some of the resources there. I would love to work with you. I would love to pass on some resources to you that can help you. Even more, I would love to work directly with you one-on-one. Look in the description box and take advantage of some of the resources. Remember, change starts here.
From a conceptual perspective to things. People talk about a desire to be successful.